Oh, Happy New Year's, everybody. 2021 is here. And I got my new GoPro 7 that my wonderful wife gave me for Christmas so I can have better video. So I'm going to shoot a little video just to see how good the color comes out and how good the audio is. As y'all know, this cooler is no longer bolted down. See, it's just sitting there in my rack now, so I'm in good shape. And I just still use it to carry stuff in because it's such a big cooler. But if I ever need to, I can always caulk up the holes in the bottom and use it for drinks or ice. You see on the top, I got my first coat of paint on there. And I'll let it dry for probably, I don't know, I'll probably let it dry for a week with the temperatures being what they are. And then I'll sand it down. And I'll shoot it again. And like I said, this is just kind of to give me a chance to try out my GoPro. It's supposed to be able to stop and take a lot of the shake out, so that's pretty dang good. I got my rack up. I think we already discussed most of the rack. I found out if I took this little cap off right here, that this piece here off my Yakima roof rack that I sold will go on over the threads, and you tighten it down with the hex bolt there. And then this is for loading up a kayak, where you can lay the bow up here, and then you go back there and pick up the stern and gently slide it over. And then once you get the kayak off of this, you just push that back in and you're ready to strap it down. And just in case you want to know, I weigh over 200 pounds, and I was on that piece of plywood last night because I had to get up in here to get this stand down right here so we could cook our crabs. We had big old giant Dungeness crabs last night for our New Year's dinner. Let's look at the inside and see how well this camera does on the inside. Low light conditions. Let's flip on some lights. I know I just said low light, but I'm gonna flip on some lights here. See how the little LEDs and stuff, react to the lens. And you can see my AC there, and don't use that kind of door lock right there. Use a barrel bolt or a chain or something up here, because I have locked that thing by accident 2 or 3 times. And you pretty much, if the other door is not open, you got to take the door off the hinges, because you can't unlock that with a key on the outside. It doesn't work like your house lock. And of course, there's my cooler I got from Walmart. It's like a Yeti, but it was on sale from $95 to $40, so I thought I'd get one. And it'll stay in the camper. This is just for me to sit on while I'm taking measurements, because I got to do curtains. And then I want to make a folded bed to go in there where I can fold it back up into a settee or love seat, whatever you call it, during the day. And then let's turn on my Yeti lights. They're right down here. I'll bend the camera back a little bit. I have 2 big old LED lights. I can't see what I'm filming, so excuse me if it's dead on with the light, but there's one on each side, and they both, this side shines that way, and that one over there shines this way. And what that is for, it illuminates the ground, and I'll show you. It will illuminate the ground probably to, the window's kind of a mess right now, but out there to that last palm tree in the corner. So when you're walking up, you don't have to worry about tripping. And then I got a smaller generator, so I don't have to haul that big massive generator around anymore. And I still have the Bosch Mr. Buddy heater. Still trying to make my mind up if I want to keep that thing. It makes so much moisture, it's crazy. Maybe I'll use it in the easy up. And I like my homemade rack, roof rack. I mean, hell, I guarantee you both kayaks together are not going to weigh 200 pounds. So this thing's pretty much set. And that's about it. Again, Happy New Year. Hope to see y'all at the campground. if you see my camper, come over and talk to us. We always enjoy visitors. I want to thank everybody for the time you spend watching my videos. I really appreciate it. Nice tinted windows. Okay. See y'all in the next video.